Why do people turn crazy or obsessed when they are in love? I think the question is very hard to answer because it actually pertains to human behavior. No, kasi lahi-lahi mag-behavior ang tao. So, when person is in love, lahi-lahi og reaction ang tao, lahi-lahi og response ang tao. So, for me lang, is that obsession is different from love. Ang tinuod nga love is not actually obsession, no? Because love involves freedom. So, love is a choice. Love is giving someone an opportunity to freely choose. So, love is a choice. It's not an obsession. And it should not be obsession. Kung tinuod kang nahigugma sa tao, tagaan ni mong chance ang tao, nahigugmaon ka balik freely.